Good morning, party people. We're taking the Audi out. We were supposed to shoot yesterday. We didn't end up doing that, so we're gonna do it today. This thing is beautiful. Oh my God. Got the Evo posted up. I'm in charge of hitting this button when he pulls it out, so damn, look at this thing. Fuck. Nice. Jesus, man. This thing's sweet. Kind of want one now. RS5? Oh, he had a tape measure on the ground too. Nice. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, I'll press this button. Yeah, this thing's so high tech. It's got crazy cameras everywhere.
Where do you want to go?
Oh, dude, this is tough. It's getting a little rainy out here.
Alright.
Brought the camera. We're just gonna go shoot somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, fucking car, man.
Oh, the new M3! Woo! Yo, that guy said he had one of these RS5s in the same concrete gray. I love the gray, honestly. What do you think?
I honestly think it's like the best, one of the best colors Audi's made.
Definitely. But you know, this yellow's crazy, so. This interior's so nice too. We've got carbon on carbon everywhere. Crazy, like, infotainment system and everything. Oh. What was that, like 50% throttle?
Yeah, not even, bro.
Jeez. Alright, we just finished taking some flicks. Check these out. These are fire. Oh, that's not the right thing. There you go. Oh, that color's so good. Comes out on camera perfectly. But I'll do a little pull here. Oh my God! This thing's quick.
Dude.
This is the spot we used, in between the two buildings. You guys already know that spot, maybe, if you guys watch this channel. But yeah, this thing's fucking awesome.
Dude, the exhaust, the way it pops every time.
I really want one now.
Dude, oh,
Yo, the water on the hood looks amazing. What the hell? Whatever kind of Rain-X ceramic coat stuff you put on that thing. Wait, this has just been wrapped though.
Just been wrapped. It's nose tip.
You didn't even put like ceramic coat or anything on it.
Nothing.
It's just, wow. It's just repelling water like it's nothing right now. This car honestly looks so good in this color. I cannot believe it. Oh, and those headlights and taillights, so crazy. But yeah, Tony's never driven an Evo before, and he doesn't get the hype. He's been a Subaru boy for a little while, and now he's driving this truck. So he really doesn't know what the Evo's all about. Do you want to take it for a spin?
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down. All right, let's see how it goes.
Let's do it.
Dude, I'm kind of nervous. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah? Why?
Never driven an Evo before.
Oh, it'll be like driving any other car. It'll just feel a little bit better.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, the radar.
You okay?
Gotta love
I'm a little
that.
shorter than you.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Adjust to where you need to be.
Man.
It's all good. Let me put on my seatbelt real quick. I don't have one on. E-brakes on? Haven't driven stick in a while, huh? Dude, your right shift knob, this shifter is so stiff. I love it. It's like notchy as fuck, right?
So notchy.
Exactly.
It's notchier than any freaking Subaru I've had. And this is stock, right?
Yeah, it's a stock transmission
Like, dude,
and everything.
come on.
Yeah. More gas. There you go. Yeah, clutch isn't too hard. Yeah.
That's not too bad. Oh.
Give her some beans in second.
Oh. Jesus. Dude, it just falls into place. Like it just wants to keep going, you know?
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Oh, I want one. Oh man. This thing's awesome.
Yeah. And this is the slowest one out of all of ours.
Dude, it's
Dude.
so comfortable.
It is. Yeah, it's a driver's car. It's definitely like, you know, even if you like change lanes a couple times while you're out here, you'll feel like just how
There's no
great
play.
that. Yeah,
There's no play.
Like
I
you
can
just
feel
start moving as soon as you move the steering wheel, you're gone.
Dude, it's insane. It stays.
Mm-hmm. I hope it stays. Shit. Another day, another time. I have to fill up my car at Costco. Yeah, we're gonna get some gas real quick. Just down the road anyway, but look at that Porsche. That color is super nice. I like that a lot. Fuck this, man. Look at these gas prices. This is the cheapest in town, too. It's $3.99.
Not cool, bro. Not cool.
Fucking
Hey, look.
awful. What are we looking at?
The little car, the toy car.
Oh. Yeah, we just finished up shooting with Tony, and now we got Alex out here. I'm gonna follow him, see where he's going. Yeah? What's up, dude? What's going on?
What's up, dog?
What are you doing?
This car.
Yeah, what happened?
Wheel bearings are going now.
Oh,
on that
no.
side, so that's why my car was just like this the whole time.
Ripperoni.
Oh
Look
yeah.
at that thing.
Dirty and slow.
Oh.
And gay.
Now we're actually out here with Carlo. Yo, got the Evo, got the WRX. We're about to actually run over to round one and play some arcade games. Let's get it, baby! Yo, we out here at round one. Woo! Let's get it, boy. Now we gotta go find Carlo.
I think that's how I'm supposed to win.
Carlo!
I don't think I'm
What'd you just do? What?
Yo, you should have got that on camera.
I know, bro. What?
Give me a second.
You're a genius.
What? Damn, boy. That was like first try and everything, huh? So what's the strat? What's the strat?
The loop is something to distract you. You're supposed to hook on the side of
Yeah, you're supposed to grab the box.
Yeah, the box. Meanwhile, I was talking shit to this guy.
I know.
He was like, you suck.
I was like, you suck, you missed.
And then I got it.
Yeah, and then I watched it like actually unfold. I was like,
Oh
why
my
is the top
god, I
coming
couldn't
out?
get the fucking camera out in time. That was so G, dude. What the hell was that?
There you go.
Thomas is on the crane. Let's see it.
You missed the bull.
The crane.
Did he?
Oh!
God damn it, Thomas.
Talk about it.
That was fun. That's how I'm going
Alright.
Hey. Oh, fuck.
Idiot.
You pressed it too early.
Idiot.
Oh,
No way.
no, ain't no way. No.
I missed.
Loser.
Damn.
Oh, do you want to play it?
What we got? The initial D?
Yeah, dude.
Initial D.
Emma, come on. How do I play? Look at that.
You gotta upgrade. That's your exhaust, bro.
More clothes, I guess. It's so loud.
You have no more money.
I'm broke.
What are you driving? A Toyota Celica?
I already know. What does it say? I don't even know what it says.
It's all in Japanese.
Yeah. Wait, how do I shift? Why is it left hand side?
Cause it's right-hand drive.
Ew, what is it?
You do have the Celica. He's got an IS300.
Fuck it.
Counter steer, boy.
I don't think it's... I'm drifting! Yeah! My car's slow! It's fucking slow!
What's your time?
What?
What's your time?
Ass?
249. 894. 175. What'd you got? 251. You're slow.
Dude, the floor vibrates, bro. It's so good.
What are we doing?
Feel it. Do it foot.
Oh.
Hey, it just press the start to join the game. Yeah.
Oh, dummy. Where is he? This is one person, this is the other person.
I'm filming. It's called DJ Waifu.
DJ Waifu. No. Representing for the Evo gang. No, next one. Couple more. One more. There you go.
Yeah.
There's an Evo 8 and then the next one's a 9.
Okay, we're going back.
Hey, that's my car. Manual, boys. Yeah. A new challenger approaches. Subi versus Evo?
Alright, we're about to get home.
Wow, Subaru! Oh no! Oh yo, hit boost! Oh yo!
That's it! That's it!
Yo, where'd the STI come from? Thomas! No!
Give it! That's it! What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
We got stuff this week.
Nice, dude. Oh, yo, swagger, get that around. Turn around. Oh, yeah. The technique on this boy.
What, yo? I broke it.
No, it's not.
I got more than needed.
You're just bad.
Am I really that bad?
Yes, you missed like half your shots. And that's it, party people. Sleep time. We getting out of here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.